Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Today I will deliver lecture 3 of week 2 and it includes computer security and ethics. First of all, I will give you the recap of previous lesson. In our previous lesson, we have discussed about 4 authentication methodologies: username and password, PIN, access cards, and biometrics. Username and password are used in combination with each other to provide authentication. PIN is the numeric confidential code, and access cards are used to open security gates and barriers. Biometrics is based on physical characteristics of human beings. Multimodal authentication. Now we will start today's lecture. Multimodal authentication provides the combination of two or more authentication methodologies, and it is highly secured method because the authentication is not just based on one method. For example, we can use fingerprints and face recognition, or PIN with password and username, etc. Computer ethics. Computer ethics means acceptable or reasonable behavior of a computer user while using the computer technology. It is the behavior which should be adopted while using the computer technology, and it is related to moral and social issues. Computer user should not attack the privacy of others. He should respect the rights of others on the computer. He should avoid using bad language. We should not download a pirated software. We have discussed about pirated software, or we should not make the copy of copyrighted software, which is called the pirating of the software, which we have discussed before. Ethical use of the computer. Computer should not be used to harm other people. Users should not break into others' computer system like hackers. Users should not attack the privacy of others and should not read the documents of others or any kind of information without their permission. People should not make pirated softwares. Computer users should not create the malicious software. People should not commit any kind of cyber crime. Computer users should respect the privacy of others. Today we have discussed about multimodal authentication, computer ethics, and ethical use of the computer. Assignment. You have to discuss about define the computer ethics and then write the ethical guidelines for ethical use, which we have discussed in this lecture. I hope you understood the lecture. We will meet again in our next lecture. Thank you.